So this motherfucker trying to be healthy. Look at this. What the f was that?
This is.
Like he almost died.
This is kale, cucumber, lime, pineapple, and celery. Ah. Oh, and chia seeds. Boom.
Oh, chia seeds. Ah,
chia seeds. Yeah, I added a little extra something because I heard chia seeds is good for you.
Yeah, protein, vitamins, and shit. Nice.
Boom. That's every day, twice a day, and a lot of water.
Agua. It's about that gains life.
Facts.
What's up?
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
Yo, what's going on, man? So we here. We at it again. We got Mr. I and Mr. E-Man Bass right there, working on both their boxes. Luigi's 2014 Honda Accord 215 DC audio and E-Man's 415s. This is gonna be a rebuild for his XB. Right here, we're doing the cuts. Getting the cut ready for his box. There's some bracing work that I'm working on. Yeah, I did his system maybe like what, 4 years ago?
4 years ago.
It's been a while. And this is gonna be his
My
his
third
rebuild.
This is the third. Yeah, the first one you made was with the Orion.
Oh, with the
second
Orion,
was
and the second was the DC.
And now we're going bigger with 215s, level 6 DCs.
Level 6, 215.
Don't forget about that.
Crazy. That's
Damn!
Diablo reason.
Diablo.
Gains. Gang. Oh my God, it's cold. So finally, we finished building E-Man's box and Luigi's box.
Bass Brothers, bro.
We got the Bass Brothers for life.
It's gonna sound louder.
Yeah, which one? A or B? Which one's gonna sound louder? What do you guys think?
415s, 215s.
1, 2, 3, 4. 415s, 215s. Which one's gonna sound louder, guys? Pick. What do you guys think? Actually,
We're gonna make a video after each of them is complete. We're gonna show results.
Look at
With
the side view.
SSA meter.
Damn, look at that.
Facts.
Yo, this is a big box.
Pretty good box.
Yeah. Stay tuned, guys. I just finished securing the subs. Need your help, guys? Need some help flipping this over. This is a DC level 6. I'm assuming it's like 80 pounds, maybe more than that. But let's say it's 80, so we got 80.
Doyo, 2 of me, right there.
Nah, one of those speakers weighs more than you. Dead ass. The box by itself has to weigh like maybe 150, if that. Alright, so let's flip it this way so we can show these guys. Show the guys the internals. Look at this. Woo! See it, eyes. Oh, I see. There we go. All right. That should slide in with no problem. Shit, that should slide in. Anything? Oh, the airline. Is it in the way? Yeah, come on. All right, that's good. All right, good. Good. Nice. It's in.
Woo!
Yeah. Nice. Fresh. It's looking very fresh. So you got the Skeletor design. Next thing will be pretty much securing the box onto the car. Solid box though, solid. Got the bar going across to prevent any flex. Got the center brace for the top and bottom flex. Yeah, man, it's official.
He needs some milk.
Today we have, I don't even know, something TSX wagon. This is what he has, the amps. I mean, it looks okay. It looks clean, you know. Not bad. It doesn't look bad at all, you know. But he's my good friend. We've known each other for years, and obviously, as you've seen our setup is getting better and better. So it only makes sense to come to us and do a new setup. So. Jay Hard. He's always hard, once again. Hard. Always hard. Yo, you need a logo, bro. I'm gonna put your logo right here. Jay Hard with the logo right there. Boom. Alright, so he's here working on the hard lines on Hideki's car, the TSX.
Yes.
Looking clean.
Which is a bit.
Looking fresh. So here's the plexiglass. We're gonna put lights behind it. So when everything is done, it's gonna look dope. It's kind of hard to tell what the hell's going on, but right now we finishing the side pieces. This is gonna be here. We're waiting for Jay to come and finish the hard lines. But this build is coming out clean. And at the same time, Luigi's. This is the 215s, DC audio. So I was working on the beauty board. So yeah, it's coming along great. Alright, so I got the port in place. So what I'm doing now, I'm filling in all the gaps that was left. So there was a lot of gaps over here, so I'm filling everything in with Duraglass. Filling all that in, gotta be airtight. So it's gotta be, you know, super tight with the headliner. See? Headliner's not moving. It's very tight. Fresh. We got the Black Mamba. The Black Mamba's back. Oh yeah. What's good, Jay? Jay Hard. Jay Lead. Jay Black. Ooh. Look at that fitment though. Ooh. Ooh. That's tight, man. Ooh. Oh my god, that's tight. Very tight.
This one's fucked up.
Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Big difference, man. Very tight. Very tight. Tight fitment. French. This is very, very French.